Hey, what's up, guys? It's Friday, the 24th of March, and welcome back to Day Trade with Tony. So, today's trade recap, very, very swift, very, very quick. We've only taken the one trade. We didn't have a lot to trade today. It was one of those very kind of mediocre, sideways, do nothing, low volatility days. In fact, I don't think we had anything moving much more than, certainly not over $2, anything moving much more than kind of 20-25%, which kind of forced me into taking a trade with something that spent most of the day under $2. I traded on this account as it got back above $2. It'd been above $2 previously, came back to retest the highs, and I got in there breaking new highs after a pullback, and it moved up, took profits. $800 later, here I am making a recap. I'm ready for the weekend. I'm a bit kind of tired. It's been a long weekend, a long week. It's been quite hectic. The volatility of the banking collapse 2 weeks ago seems to have passed. There's still movement within the banks, but not like it was. So still got a bit of volume there. But it seems that the attention was taken away from the low float, low cap stocks, and as a result, we're just not seeing anything moving. And yesterday was a no trade day. So if you're wondering why there was no trade recap video yesterday, there was no trades. So sometimes sitting on your hands and doing nothing is probably the best thing to do, and that was the case yesterday. It probably would have been the best thing for me to do today, but we had a quick trade. We took a position with Silvergate Capital, and we wrote it up. It's about 5 minutes work, and made $800. So not bad for 5 minutes work. So let's take a look at the action, shall we? Silvergate Capital. I went and walked the dog. I traded on the small account pre-market, a couple of trades, and then went and walked the dog. Came back, and one of the students in the Day Trade with Tony Discord had basically got over goal and was shutting it down based on where they got in on Silvergate Capital. Now I came back and it was already up here at the highs of kind of 205, 206. It did pull back. There's a little bit of a fake out here, but then as it started to make its move up, I was looking at this on the 5 minute chart. As this started to make its move up and break new highs, I got in here and added to the position, took some profits, then took most of the position off at the top, and then as it broke new lows here is when I got out. I made $800 on that, so easy enough, decent enough trade, quick enough, and I'm just going to lock it down and head into the weekend. I've already got my wine poured. I've already ready for the weekend. I'm going to put a box set on and have a relaxing weekend. I would advise you all to do the same. Maybe this is the calm before the storm. I don't know. Let's find out on Monday. We're back at it an hour before the market opens. We'll be trading the last hour of the pre-market session. So that's 8 a.m. market time, East Coast. If you're in Europe, where I'm based, we're back to the regular time because of the daylight saving. The clocks, don't forget this either. The clocks go forward on Saturday evening stroke Sunday morning. So I'll be back at it at 1:30 on Monday afternoon GMT. So come join me. We'll do it all again. Hopefully we'll see a bit more volatility than we have this last 2 days. And we'll see if we can't finish strong on what is clearly my best trading month ever. We're very close to a little over 246,000 gross profits now on March. So let's see if we can get over that 250. Let's see if we can get to 300. We've got five more trading days left. So if I can get an extra 30k out of that, 6,000 a day, that'll take me to 280. But let's shoot for 300. That's the goal before the end of March. If I can get 300, I will be over the moon. But in the meantime, you have a great weekend, and I'll see you then. Take it easy.